have witnessed machines evolve from simple tools to sophisticated partners capable of tasks once only imaginable in science fiction. This video explores top-performing robots globally, highlighting real examples, their features, functions, and the economic, technical, and social impacts they bring. Walking through a modern factory in Stuttgart, Germany, I was struck by the rhythm and precision of robotic arms working seamlessly alongside humans. Robots are no longer confined to assembly lines. They now assist in hospitals, deliver goods, explore space, and even teach. Today, I'll take you through some of the most advanced robots worldwide, explore their features, and explain their technical, economic, and social impact. I stepped into a Volkswagen assembly line in Wolfsburg. The first thing you notice is a synchronized movement of robotic arms. They lift heavy car parts, weld, and paint with precision that's impossible for humans to match. Robots like the FANUC M200YA can lift up to 2,300 kilograms, while ABB's IRB 6700 series is highly versatile, automotive and electronics manufacturing. These machines improve efficiency, reduce errors, and enhance safety. But they also demand a workforce skilled in programming and maintenance. They reduce production costs, increase output, and enhance workplace safety, shifting workforce demands toward technical and engineering roles. Later, in Tokyo, I watched a robotic arm assist in a complex heart surgery. Its precise movements allowed the surgeon to operate with minimal incisions and risk. The Vinci Surgical System offers high-definition 3D vision and instruments that bend far beyond human capability. Used in over 70 countries, it enhances patient outcomes and reduces recovery times, although it requires extensive training. For operators, seeing these machines up close, I realized that whether in factories or operating rooms, robots amplify human capabilities, making work safer, faster, and more precise. Robots are also making waves in industries beyond manufacturing and healthcare. In Shanghai, China, I visited a high-tech restaurant where robotic chefs prepare dishes with precision and speed. Robots like Pazzi can cook pizzas and handle multiple orders at once, improving efficiency while maintaining quality. In Zurich, Switzerland, robotics are used in sports training to analyze player movement and provide feedback to reduce injuries. It's a remarkable example of how robotics is enhancing performance in human sports. In London, UK, I explored a gaming center where robots interact with players, host tournaments, and even manage the flow of games. These robots use AI to adapt to players' skill levels, making experiences more engaging and personalized. Gaming robots, like those developed by Engineered Arts, are designed for social interaction, entertainment, and user engagement. Across these industries, robots are improving efficiency, safety, and user experience, while creating new opportunities for collaboration between humans and machines. From kitchens to sports arenas and gaming lounges, the future of robotics is increasingly diverse and global. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to drop a like and share a comment with your thoughts. Here's a fun question for you. If you could design a robot to help you in one area of your daily life, what would it be and why? Share your answers in the comment section. I'd love to see your ideas. Fun fact, did you know that the very first industrial robot, called Unimate, began working on a General Motors assembly line in New Jersey in 1961? It helped with tasks like handling hot metal.
In Singapore, I observed Pepper, a humanoid robot, greeting guests and delivering luggage. Its friendly interaction created a welcoming environment while handling tasks efficiently. Robots like SoftBank's Pepper and Savioke's relay guide visitors, answer questions, and transport items in hotels and offices. They free human staff to focus on complex tasks and improve accessibility for guests and elderly people. I also took a ride in a Waymo autonomous taxi in San Francisco. The car responded to pedestrians, adjusted speed for traffic, and navigated complex intersections all without human intervention. Companies like Waymo, Tesla, and Cruise are pioneering autonomous driving using LiDAR, radar, cameras, and AI algorithms. These vehicles rely on advanced machine learning and sensor fusion. Economically, they could reduce transportation costs and accidents, although regulatory frameworks are still evolving. At a robotics lab in Japan, I met ASIMO by Honda. Watching it walk, climb stairs, and even dance felt surprisingly human. Humanoid robots like ASIMO and Boston Dynamics Atlas help researchers study human-like movement and interaction. Atlas performs parkour routines, and Spot, the quadruped robot, assists in industrial inspections and disaster response. These robots advance research, improve safety in dangerous environments, and spark conversations about ethical human-robot interactions. On a strawberry farm in California, I saw a robot picking berries with gentle precision, reducing waste and speeding up harvest. Robots like Agrobot and Naio Technologies' autonomous tractors use AI and computer vision to plant, weed, and harvest efficiently. They identify ripe crops and handle them delicately, maintaining quality. These robots alleviate labor shortages, increase productivity, and allow farmers to focus on strategic planning and sustainable farming practices. From factories to hospitals, homes, and fields, robots are reshaping our world. Their value lies not just in speed or strength, but in how they augment human abilities. These robots represent a global trend: smarter machines assisting humans in daily tasks. Their impact is technical, economic, and social, and with responsible development, the future will be one of collaboration between humans and machines. The future isn't about replacing humans, it's about working together for a safer, more efficient, and innovative world. Thank you.
As we look ahead, the world of robotics is full of exciting possibilities. Experts predict that robots will become even more integrated into our daily lives, not just in workplaces but in homes, schools, and public spaces. Imagine personal assistant robots that can help with household chores while also offering companionship. They could monitor your health, remind you to take medications, and even help with cooking or cleaning. Companies are already exploring prototypes that combine AI with mobility and adaptability. Learning to respond to individual household needs. In education, robots could become teaching assistants. Picture robots in classrooms that can adapt lessons to each student's pace, provide extra practice for struggling learners, or even run interactive science experiments safely. These robots could free teachers to focus on creative and critical thinking activities while ensuring students receive personalized attention. Healthcare is another area where innovation is expected. Future robots could assist with rehabilitation exercises, help patients with mobility issues, or monitor vital signs continuously in a non-invasive way. Imagine robots capable of alerting caregivers in real time if a patient falls or shows unusual health patterns. In public spaces, delivery robots may evolve to navigate crowded streets autonomously, using advanced AI to communicate with pedestrians and other vehicles. Similarly, service robots in restaurants, hotels, and airports may become more socially aware, reading emotions and adjusting interactions to create a more comfortable and efficient experience. For humans, even in industries like construction and disaster response, robots could be designed to operate in hazardous environments autonomously. Future construction robots might assemble complex structures or inspect bridges and skyscrapers without putting humans at risk. One particularly exciting area is collaborative robotics, where humans and robots work side by side in harmony. These robots could adapt to human behavior, assist in complex tasks, and learn from their human partners, creating safer and more efficient workplaces. Fun fact: researchers are also developing soft robotics inspired by nature. These robots can bend, stretch, and squeeze into tight spaces, potentially revolutionizing search and rescue, medical procedures, and even underwater exploration. If you've been following along, think about this. What would you like to see robots accomplish in the next 10 years? Share your ideas in the comments below. I'd love to hear your predictions.
For watching. If you found this video insightful, please like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more content about robotics and technology. Your support helps us continue exploring the amazing world of robots. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we dive even deeper into the latest innovations and breakthroughs in robotics. For watching.